Kono ero bende ni kaunti ma Migori opako ahinya okenge ma jopur makono osegoyo neno ni chiemo moromo nitiere kono ero. Kaluwore kode jatend migawo mar pur Migori kono Migosi Valentine Ogongo, chiemo makamago eko jopur go eko yudo kata obedo ni gikalo achiedh nade maka kod kacha moriwo kanyakla mago mokel kod muoch tuo mar COVID-19 lokruok kor lwasi e kind achiedh nade mamoko mathoth. Jotelo go eko bende ojiwo jopur makono mondo gidhi nyime kod tich matek kendo gipur chiemo mamoko mopogore kod ndawa kanyakla kod pur niang' mabende ni pure kaunti ma Migori ahinya mathoth.
Of farmers had planted. This means that the late planted crop might have a big problem with the pests and diseases. So I want to request our farmers to be very vigilant and report any case of any incidents of pest invasion or any disease.
We want to celebrate the people who make us eat. I know there are some of us who don't know how to hold a djembe, but there is a man there, a woman there, who owns the djembe, produces milk, produces chicken, produces eggs, produces meat and maize so that we are able to eat. So we want to celebrate those people who put food on our table.
We train farmers to take care, to work well on their soils so that the little one they can still end up getting something. Because if they continue with the normal conventional agriculture, then we may end up losing the whole fertility. That's